Hey guys, it's your boy Robin over here, and today I want to explain because I got a new hairstyle. I have my hair. You can see right now I put this thing, but I want to show you in the video how it first went. So I'm gonna show you that in the video, and at the end of the video I'm gonna show you how it went. It was cool. First step, you can see that they have right now putting some water on my hair, and you can see that they're just putting it backwards. You can see the lady it's actually a gentle way. It's nicely, I liked it because it was very nice. You can see she's putting some soap, and you can see she's scrubbing it. You can see she's scrubbing it, and you can see the soap. It's very nice. It felt very good, and you can see she's just scrubbing. She's just scrubbing. She's like with her hands. She's just scrubbing, and sometimes she likes to scrub a lot, and she's doing a very good job. I liked it. It was very, and you can see she's right now she's putting some water, and then she's rinsing off the soap, and she's making it very shiny. I know you can see diamonds in it. I totally am not joking with you, and you can see diamonds, and it's very nice. She's very gentle. She did it very well. Oh my god, actually to me I can actually see my head looks like a diamond. Okay, now it looks like a diamond. So you can see that it looks very nice. She's just cleaning off the soap, and you can see she's wiping it. She's just wiping, and then you can see she's putting the towel on my hair, and yeah, you'll see. I'm going to stand up. You can see I'm sitting down, and the person who is making my hair his name is Elvis, and right now you can see he's just patting, and you can see he's just patting it, and you'll see that he's soon going to twist it very nicely into small pieces. To be nice, you can see it's twisting. He's twisting. Alice is twisting, and Elvis, he's doing a good job. I liked it. He was very gentle. He was a gentleman. Like, he was a very gentle, and he did very good. I liked it. It was actually soft. Since there was water still on it, whenever you put water on your hair, and then whenever you want to get dreadlocks or a different hairstyle, it's actually always soft. So you can see he's just patting and twisting. You can see he's patting and twisting. It's very nice. I like it. It's very good. As he was twisting my hair, I was just playing on my phone. I was playing Craftsman on my phone, and you can see I'm just building I'm building a Christmas house. I'm just building a Christmas tree and a nice mansion with a nice road. Like that server I should have showed you, but I did so well. It actually took me 2 months. So you can see he's patting, and he's like twisting it. You can see the top of my head. He's twisting it little small. At the end of the video, you'll see it's awesome. Like, So this is how it looks like when he first finished doing my hair. And you can see me, I'm stretching right now. I was very tired sitting down, so I just wanted to stretch. Yeah. So you can see it's twisted it. Elvis starts doing the dreadlocks. He's going to install them. And you can see that he's just twisting it. He's trying to actually make it longer. I can see right now he's trying to make it longer. I think he's twisting it better, and then I think he's going to put something different on it. So he's using his fingers and a needle to just twist it. He's just using. You can see the needle. You can see the needle there. He's using his hands and the needle to just twist it. So he's crocheting, and he's doing it a lot faster than I expected. Like he's doing like vroom vroom, like vroom, like a little Lamborghini. He's not wasting his time. He goes fast. He doesn't waste his time. So you can see the first day, you can see it's long. It's starting to become long. The rest you will see it is OP. It's OP Pro style. So you'll see I am going to look like a cool guy, which you probably really want to subscribe to. And if you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. And you can see he's just twisting it, and yeah. So as the hair is getting done, I want to tell you guys a story. I want to tell you why we haven't done a tour of our house. It's all because you know, some people out there, they are thieves. And then if they watch my videos, and then if we show the whole house, they'll know the house, and then they might even know, like we might even accidentally not even know. If we didn't know that, then we could have been in big trouble. And then we show the outside, and then now he'll know the apartment's name. He'll just Google la la la, because I don't want to tell you guys right now. I don't want to tell you because it's secret. It's supposed to be secret. So, and then he'll just steal, and then he'll go to our house. He'll steal everything we had, and then us, we just become poor people and we live outside. So yeah, that's the story that I wanted to tell you. So Elvis is doing my hair at the back, and right now when Elvis is doing the back part of my hair, you know it's actually hard for him to do it because my hair at the back, it's very, very short. Like it's very short, but I will ask you some questions. So you can see right now it's very long. You can see my hair is very long, but you'll see that they cut it. So you can see me I look like Mama Andre. So yeah. So my hair looks long. Oh my god, it's long. It's probably like, I don't know, 2 feet tall. Probably 2 feet. Okay, 1 feet, right? 2, 0. Okay, okay. So it's pretty long. So you'll see in the video that he's cutting. You can see the scissors. You'll see he's cutting. Just give me a second. You'll see. So you'll see that he's going to cut, because I'll tell you why I want him to cut, because I don't like it when it's too long. I don't like it when it's long. I like it when it's like short. Yeah. So you can see he's cutting. You can see I'm nodding my head because I'm scared. I'm just nodding my head because I'm very scared. So you'll see in a second he's cutting. Cut. And boom. And so you can see he cut my hair. Right now, for me, I know how it looks like. I think it reaches up to my chin. I think it reaches up to my chin or my top teeth. And yeah, so you can see he's just cutting everywhere. He's just cutting my hair. Yeah, I know that size. That size reaches up to my chin. Yeah, so it reaches up to my chin. No, actually, it reaches up to my shoulder. Yeah, it reaches up to my shoulder. That's all I'm gonna say. So it reaches up to my shoulder. So yeah, it's actually very good. I like. So you can see Elvis has cut the dreadlocks so they can be a certain size on my head. So you can see, so it doesn't block my view. Because right now, I know how it looks like. If it's like that, like when he was first making it, it blocked my scene. But when he started cutting it, it didn't block my scene. Actually, you can see I'm just shaking my head. I like it. I'm actually really impressed. So he sprayed some water. You can see he's spraying some water. I don't know what for. I don't know why he's spraying water, but it's for something. I think it's for like making my hair to not be so dry or wet, or not be dry. I think to not be dry. So you can see he's just spraying water all over my hair. He took some oil and he rubbed it on his hands, and he's going to put it on my hair, and he gave me a very pleasant massage. It was very nicely and I liked it. So you can see he's massaging me in the hair and in the bones and in the brains and in the eyeballs and in the ears and in the teeth and in the nose boogers. And I was just joking. He's just doing it to my hair. So he's just twisting it, and he's just scrubbing it. He's like massaging it. He's massaging it. He's doing a good job. You can just see my face. I'm just like, what is happening on my head? Look at me. I'm just like, what is happening? Okay, so you can see my reaction. I'm just doing something with my hair, and you can see. I know you guys. I look good like that first, and then you can see. That actually looks cool. I wish actually my hair was actually made like that. Actually, I look like a rock star. Wow. So you guys, you can see that he's just he's using wax to twist my hair. He's using some dreadlock wax. I don't even know what dreadlock wax is. You can see I'm eating a biscuit because my mommy got me one. I like my mommy, and she's very sweet to me. She's a very sweet mommy. You can see me, I'm just vibing over there, just eating sweet. Actually, I even had some sweets. My mommy even bought me some sweets there. And you can see he's just twisting my hair with some wax, and you can actually see it on his hand, some wax. So you can see he's twisting it with some wax. He's like a little. That actually feels. It actually felt like he was actually massaging. Like it felt like a little of a massage. not that much, but just like a little pinch on the side. He was. Guys, so you can see the hair that's waxed, and you can see the left hair is waxed and the right hair is not waxed. And he's going to do it in the whole hair, so you can actually see the difference from the not waxed hair to the actual waxed hair. So you can see I'm still playing Craftsman on my phone. You'll see my phone, and I'm just playing Craftsman. That's all. Because and you can see he's just patting it with. He's actually just twisting it with some wax, and you can see that he's now he's twisting the other side. You can see he's twisting the other side, and it felt very nice. And you can still see me. I'm just concentrating on my phone, just playing Craftsman. That's all I'm doing. I'm just playing Craftsman. Because Craftsman doesn't use internet. And Roblox, that place uses internet. And me, I don't know that internet. So you can... And you can see they're putting a net in on my hair to actually make the something. I don't know what they're doing, but they might do it for the water. I think water is still there, or I don't know what they're doing it for. So you can see, oh, he's blow drying it. He's blow drying my hair. He's blow drying it, and you can see he's just blow drying it. It's actually I felt it was very warm. I liked it when people blow dry my hair. Hey, mostly my mommy does a good job. She actually puts it next to my skin, and I like it when it's next to my skin, but not too close. When it's too close, hey, it burns my skin. You know, once she actually did it on my hair. My hair caught on fire. Okay, I'm just joking, but once it actually almost happened. My mommy just went too close that my mommy just saw a flame, and then she just like she blew. So you can see they are just blow drying my hair. So you can see he's just blow drying. Ooh, I like the color of the blow dryer. Ooh, I like that black. I like actually, and you can actually. Ooh, my hair looks good. So you can see my hair looks awesome and sick. I look like a Pro 1234. From the beginning of the video, I know I looked like Noob 1234. Now I look like Pro 1234. Hey, at the end of the video, you will see me. I'm a hacker. So this is my final look, and I look very nicely. So we are out of the salon. So I hope you guys subscribe, leave a like on the video, punch it into the face until it gives me 2. Not 2. I mean, I'm at 100. 100 or 2K, I don't know. But make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Peace out, be cool, and be awesome. Dab to the haters.